Hi everyone, my name's Ben Wright, VP of Revenue here at Sendspark, and I'm really excited today to announce a brand new feature inside of the Sendspark platform, our foreign language feature. Now you're able to send hyper-personalized videos at scale with AI in additional languages outside of English. We've just launched 5 new languages inside of the Sendspark platform, including French, German, Swedish, Portuguese, and Spanish. With this new feature, you can now send personalized videos to prospects in your language of choice. Stick around because in the next part of this video, I'm going to be showing you how this feature works and some of the incredible results you can expect to generate for both your prospects and your customers. Thank you. Hi, everyone. I'm really excited to dive into the product and show you kind of what I introduced at the start of this video, which is our new feature, including foreign languages. And so what I'm going to walk you through is how the UI has changed in the product, some additional components you'll see inside of the platform moving forward. And then additionally, what I'll show you is a couple of examples utilizing some of the foreign languages that we now have included inside of the Sendspark platform. So first things first, what's changed in the product from both a UI and a feature perspective with this new feature that we've added to the platform? Well, the first thing is going to be when you log into your dynamic video modal, you'll now see in our AI guidelines that there are greetings for additional languages. So previously using Sendspark, you typically start the video with a placeholder phrase of, "Hey, watermelon." Well, now that's opened up to a range of different placeholder phrases dependent on the language you're speaking in. So again, hola manzana if you're Spanish, hola melancia if you're Portuguese. That would be how you would start the video before pausing and continuing with the rest of it. Fundamentally, that watermelon component is still going to change out for the first name. You now have the ability, though, to obviously speak it in the language of your choice. So that would be the first change. The second change that you'll notice is this drop down. So as part of creating your AI personalized flow, you'll now have the chance to select the language that you are speaking in. Again, the platform will pick up on that language, and then we'll obviously know how to say certain names in the accent language that you have selected. So those are some of the UI changes that you'll realize. We'll now transition over and actually show you kind of some of it at work. And so in this campaign, we've had somebody upload a video utilizing Swedish. They've uploaded their video. They've then come down and selected the Swedish placeholder. What you'll also see is the fallbacks, which for people that haven't used Sendspark before, fundamentally a fallback phrase is used if it's unable to understand the name it's supposed to be pronouncing or a name's been incorrectly spelled. Instead of creating an error in the video that you are trying to generate, it will divert or revert to a specific placeholder phrase, which for Swedish is hej då. And so what I'll do now is just play the generated video. This is a contact they've added to the campaign, and I'll kind of show you what that looks and sounds like.
Hejsan Lars. Jag ska till mitt jobb i 5 minuter.
And so fundamentally, that first expression, hejsan Lars, is in the Swedish accent. The Lars component is obviously has a softer S to it, which is how it's pronounced in Swedish. And so that's how it would work with a Swedish campaign. If we transition over, let's take a look at a video for Portuguese. So again, difference here is we've included the Portuguese placeholder phrase. We've selected the Portuguese language. And then down here, we've added a couple of kind of traditional Portuguese names, which again, if you say them in a British or an American accent, aren't pronounced correctly. So I'll play this one first for Duarte.
Olá, Duarte.
And I'll play one for João.
Olá, João.
And so again, like very different to how I would pronounce it in my English accent, because I've selected the Portuguese drop down. Now it's pronounced correctly in the accent that we're choosing. And again, placeholder phrase changed to the Portuguese version. Finally, I'll kind of show you what that looks like in German. So again, in this campaign, we've included the placeholder phrase Hallo Wassermelon. We've selected the German drop down. And then what we've done is added a couple of distinctly German names. This one I would pronounce in English Kathy, but again, because we've added the German component to this campaign, let's take a look at what it actually sounds like.
Hallo, Käthe.
So again, Keta, very German name. Again, if an English person was going to pronounce that, I wouldn't know how to pronounce it. And so our tool does the heavy lifting for you. So again, utilizing all of those components, you can now send campaigns in whichever language you would like to do. Really opens up the market for Sendspark, really serves a wider base of our customers. We look forward to you trying the tool out. I'll include a link at the end of this video. Please feel free to log in, sign up, and try it out for yourself. Thanks so much for watching the video today.